Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart. Now we will write a code to print the corresponding ASCII values of the character that has been provided to us by the user. So what are ASCII values? They are basically the numerical representation of a particular character that the ASCII have provided to us. For example, capital A have an ASCII value of 65, capital B has an ASCII value of 66, and so on. So now let's write a code in C++. Okay, so first we will declare a character variable C. Now we will ask a user to enter the character. So enter the character and then okay, so now we will take the value C and C. So now we will print the ASCII value by using the integer function. Now I will demonstrate how to use that. So the ASCII value of what is provided to us C is, now we will use the int function int of C. So what this int function will do is it will return the integer value, that is the ASCII value of the given character. Okay, so int C. Now let's check the code. For example, let's say capital A, the ASCII value is 65, capital A. Now let's say for small a, it is 97. Thank you.